Good morning. This morning we've been to Fosterville on the Chudleigh Road to go and pick up some bags of sand because the other day the trailer got stuck. So we went and collected, I can't remember what was on the back of the roofing sheets on the back of the trailer on the trusty old Volvo. Bringing it into the land, the trailer jackknifed, got stuck. We had to offload it by hand. Trailer ended up in the road. Complete nightmare. Anyway, so today, rather than getting a trailer load of sand, we've just picked up some bags of sand to do the concrete wall.
And we sank in the bloody mud. Look over there.
Right, bags of sand, yeah. You can see it's just been wet, raining and horrid. I'll just give... I'll just give Don a hand.
That's all right, so they're too heavy. They're too heavy. You can build a block. So
While Don's finishing just offloading the last bag, we're going to have a look, see what he's been up to the last couple of days. So we picked up some more clear roofing sheets to do the cladding. Oh wow, there's loads. We had a problem with the electric. The electric's cut out again. It's just because it's so wet. Let's have a proper look. Right. Those clear roofing sheets he was working on. So since I've been here, these two have gone up. These weren't here since I last came down. I think it was Saturday because the weather was awful Sunday. So blimey, there's just literally that one there to clad. And then all this is done as well. It's amazing. That's great. So the idea is, if you can see, where I'm standing now, where behind me we've got the Alice Charmers, is some doors to be put on here, some like double doors. Obviously we've got to get Alice out. So Alice is going to go and live over in that corner there. And then these will be some doors on here. We've got a massive wide door, but I think that's going to be used elsewhere. And then another small door will go on here, in this section here. And then the gravel that was stood on, it's just got to be taken back a bit. It's a bit too high when we put it down. So this is like the hardcore gravel. And then on the top, we're going to have some nice pinky gravel instead. Plan is, Alice, like I said, Alice will live in this corner here. So we've got some Chudleigh tiles that we picked up. So she'll stand on those. We're going to have some benches and tables here as well. So I've got a really nice wooden bench that can come out and stand on some Chudleigh tiles. And here's the man who's been working very hard.
oh yeah. What do you think?
It looks great.
All right, isn't it?
Bloody great. Can't believe we've done all that since the weekend.
No, that's right. There's a bit of a gap at the top, but I can soon solve that problem.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can cover it up.
I can put some lights up.
Put some
Fairy lights.
Put a strip light on them.
Yeah. Or some flags.
Yeah, some flags. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all right, that. I've dragged the floor out a little bit.
Yeah, I see that. I can see you've got dragged it lower.
Cup of tea.
Yes, please. Right, I think we'll go and get a cup of tea and then work out what the next plan is. I think somebody dunked their biscuit too long. Don't know if you can see, there's a robin. Hear him tweeting.
Billy boy.
There he goes. It's on the tractor tyre now.
Look, the double biscuit.
We're not looking at you, we're looking at the robin.
Fuck. It's now on the floor, and I'm not using that. You've got it.
Yeah, it's on the tractor.
Robin. Robin. Hello. Come on.
Come on.
Oh. I'll just close the door, love, to keep you warm, right? That should be the same in a minute. Mushroom, please. This good looking bird here is making me a chicken and mushroom sandwich. Oh no, soup. Get it right, for fuck's sake. It's so cold, the bluebells have shrunk. Right, this is the other part of the operation. This is going to be a sill for the, what's the name of that place?
Long Beach?
No, Rotunda.
Oh, the rotunda.
Yeah, the rotunda, the entrance into the
Look,
rotunda.
robin's down there.
There's my mate, Billy boy. Right, now let's go and see if it'll fit. I doubt very much if it will. So what I'll do, I'll switch you off. If it fits, I'll bring you back. Okay. Right, let's see if the bastard fits. Like a Chinese jigsaw puzzle, isn't it?
Yeah.
And Stoking Tina. Oh,
What?
I better put some underlay in. How's that? Is that perfect? Just up a little bit at the end.
That looks pretty good to me.
Done with a pen knife. Not really, I had a hammer as well. Right, sesame soup.
So that's the door threshold piece going in. And then this is the door that's going to go up there. A little bit of plastic underneath. Bit of damp proofing.
Screws, and that's it. This flood water can flow through and the bottom won't get wet then, see? Yeah? No?
No.
Oh, but it's too small now. That's pretty secure. Yeah, like for the smaller screws. Did it. Drill. Oh, the drill's there. Did you put that?
Oh, there's a ladder.
Hold that for a second for me though. I've just got my buddy Chuck and pull screws. Doesn't matter how hard you work, it's still fucking freezing. Wilson, get in that pocket. Now, fingers crossed, they don't split.
Yeah.
It's a softwood, so it should go. What fits in there then?
What?
What the fuck fits in there?
Wrong one.
Hmm?
Wrong one.
Well, there's only two normally, but certainly don't fit in there, does it? Right, it's plan B. Let's go and see a doctor. Chuck.
Yeah, I've got it. You gave it to me. No, wrong pocket.
Strange, that. I'll go and look in the box, see if they've I don't want to use the too large a screw because
Yeah.
split. So I didn't realise that.
What's that?
They're two different sizes.
There you go then.
That's the one I want, and that's the one I don't want. That's the one I want.
That's just gone all the way down there now.
Where did it go?
I don't know, down there. Got lost down there.
Bloody hell. I didn't realise there were three different sizes. Right now, getting a slight angle. Don't be silly. Hasn't gone in according to plan.
So that's securing it to the uprights.
Say again.
That's securing it to the uprights.
Yeah. See?
So you split the wood.
Ah.
That's what you didn't want to happen.
I'm not making another one.
No, you alright?
I'll clamp it and glue it another day. Oh, fuck. fixing the other side of it. Clean it off, it'll be alright. Of course, this doesn't go right down, does it? That's why. Goes down enough though. That's got that. Oh yeah. What one in here, fellas? That ain't gonna go anywhere. Don't forget the other one on top.
Other one what?
The other tread goes on top of the door.
Oh yeah, with the door.
Fits, but that doesn't go on until the door fits.
Yeah.
That's, fingers crossed. The door will be in here one day. Maybe not this year, but who knows? A good razor blade.
No, we'll get you one.
Yeah, never will.
Okay, I think that's it for today. So we'll call it
On
quits.
time.